Yes, your love.
Because of you and your fundraising efforts, we are able to rescue hundreds of cats each year from abuse, neglect, and abandonment. Many of them are forced to defend themselves against traffic, wildlife, and starvation.
There is nothing for me but to love you, and the way you look tonight